In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana's Gantt view, which is actually known as timeline view. This feature is a powerful way to visualize your project's workflow, allowing you to see task dependencies, deadlines, and overall progress in an organized manner. Let's dive into how you can use this tool efficiently to keep your projects on track. First, you'll want to head over to Asana's website by typing www.asana.com in your browser. If you already have an account, simply click on Login to access your dashboard. However, if you're new to Asana, don't worry, you can get started by clicking either Get Started or Try for Free to set up your account. Once you're logged in and at your dashboard, the next step is to open the timeline view. This is where all the magic happens in terms of visualizing your project flow. To do this, navigate to the project you'd like to work on within Asana. You'll find your projects listed and ready to be selected. Now, once you're inside your chosen project, look for the timeline tab, which should be located at the top of the page. Click on this tab to open the timeline view. If this option is available for your project, it will instantly display your tasks in a chronological flow, making it easier to see what's due and when. Now that the timeline view is open, let's go ahead and add tasks to it. It's crucial to note that any tasks without assigned dates will not automatically appear on your timeline. To include them, simply click and drag tasks from the left panel directly onto the timeline. This action will allow you to start organizing your project visually. Setting and adjusting the timelines for each task is key to keeping everything on track. You can easily set start and due dates by dragging the edges of each taskbar. This flexibility ensures that you can dynamically manage your project as timelines shift. Adjusting task dates and creating dependencies is another essential aspect of project management. If you need to change a task's duration, simply drag the task left or right. To establish dependencies, click on a task and drag the connector dot to another task. This creates a relationship where one task cannot start until the other is complete, ensuring a smooth workflow. To further customize your view, utilize the filters. You can filter tasks by assignee, specific sections, or even custom fields that you've previously set up. Additionally, adjusting the zoom level allows you to view your project's timeline in days, weeks, or months, giving you a broad or detailed perspective as needed. By leveraging these features in Asana's timeline view, you'll not only organize your project more effectively, but also maintain clarity on your team's progress and upcoming deadlines. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide enhances your project management experience with Asana.